Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the specs of the Xiaomi CW400 with the CW300. What are some important things that you need to know? Now, the one thing that I want to start with, because I actually own the CW400, is that the CW300 has a wire LAN connection and umbilical cable setup that includes the eyepiece, making it less suitable for outdoor installation that require passing cables through rubber seals. So be aware of that. Now, the CW400 uses Wi-Fi only for data transfers and has a time-lapse video feature not available in the CW300. The cable setup is less bulky, which can be advantageous for other installations. So this is another thing that you actually need to know. Now, when we are going to look here on the comparison, so they both have the SD card expansion. They both have the 256 gigabytes expansion. Field of view is for the CW400 is 360 horizontal, 160 vertical. Then for the Xiaomi outdoor camera is 360 horizontal. Then when you're going to find here, they got many like similar things. You can see like audible and visual warning, time lapse. Yeah, this is another thing, is that you can have with the CW400, I don't really use this feature at all, but you can have something like a time lapse. It's not really necessary in my opinion, not needed, but still you have it. Now when we're going to go further, both got microphone, both got speaker, both got camera resolution 4 megapixels, sorry, interface, Wi-Fi, video format. All these things are literally the same with the audible visual warning, time-lapse photography, dual gimbal movement. Wire network connection is not available with CW400. So then when we're gonna go further have more information here, then you're gonna have the storage mode on both micro SD card. Then the voice control, this is something that I was searching for CW400. This is something that you don't have, that you have only CW300. And customizable sleep times, this is something that you also don't have with CW400. This is I didn't find anywhere. So I just wanted to share this video for you. And primarily the information that I shared in the beginning of the video about this is the most important thing from the video. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you regards both of these. Let me down below in the comments, what do you gonna choose? It really depends where you want to have it located and when to have it. Let's say even if you want to have it at home, even when it's outdoor camera, I don't know. But again, the quality of it, this is like the specs, but I made also a review of the CW400 if you're interested, and it's a good camera. It's like, it feels quality, the connection went smooth, little bit of hustle there, but still I didn't feel that it's bad. But again, from the beginning, just choose both. Also, this is something I acquired from Reddit, like a good thing, good important thing for you to know. So thank you very much for watching, hoping great day, and goodbye.